Hi, I'm Curtis, and this is the Bear Chair. To create the Bear Chair, first, remove the headrest from the front passenger seat. Make sure your camera is out of focus. Nobody likes a clear picture. Then, move the front passenger seat as far forward as it will possibly go. Then, move it as far down as it'll possibly go. Here's an additional angle for no particular reason. Then simply move the back of the seat as far back as it will possibly go. And one more angle. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. And then you just climb on in your comfy little recliner, grab yourself a blanket or something, and get comfy. Now I can lean the seat back too if I want. Make it even more comfortable. Oh, that's nice. And this would be a good place to watch a movie too. If you have a laptop or something, you can put it on top of that dashboard. Cup holders aren't very close, but this will do. This is very comfy. There is a little bit of a lump right here, just the way the seats in the Pacifica are shaped. But if I had another cushion and I could put it right here, I bet that would alleviate that. But otherwise, this is very nice. This is an idea from subscriber Sweet Bear, a sweet lady with a sweet idea. And for this, we thank you.